Today is Module 1, Lesson 4, Make a 10 to add within 20. Let's look at this number sentence, 9 plus 4. I'm going to solve this by drawing circles and X's. Let's begin by drawing 9 circles. 9's the first part of our number sentence. Here are my 9 circles lined up as if they were sitting inside of a 10 frame. You'll notice there are 5 right here and 4 more right here. All together, this makes 9. Now, we need to add 4 more. We're going to use X's. Let's start by counting them out one at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4. You may have noticed that when I added the first X, I added it up here with the circles to finish out making a complete set of, what did we make? A set of 10. You're right. This completed a set of 10. We have now made a 10 plus fact. Can you see that this could be a 10 plus fact? Up here we have 10, and now down here we have 3. And 10 plus 3 equals 13. So we know that 9 plus 4 equals 13. We were able to take one of our 4, add it to the 9 to make 10. So let's look over here. Here I have 9 plus 4, the same problem that was at the top, except for I split the 4 into 2 parts. One part is 1, which is right here. It was the one we added to the 9 to make 10. The other part is 3. Those 3 are down here. That's how we got our 10 plus fact. We went from 9 plus 4 to 10 plus 3, but you'll notice they both equal 13. Let's try another one. Here we have 9 plus 5. I know that I need to split my 5 so I can make a 10 plus fact. I'm going to make a group of 10 so that it will be easier to add. Okay, well, I have to think. What do I need to take away from 5 so that I can make a group of 10? Here's our 10 frame. I'm thinking about it in my mind. It has 9 circles. That represents the 9 right here. How many more do I need to make a 10? That's right. I need 1. So from 5, I need to make sure I have 1 to add to 9 to make a group of 10. That leaves me with 4 more left over. 9 and 1 are partners to 10. So that's going to be my first addition sentence. I'll add 9 plus 1 to get my group of 10. Now, I can't stop there because look up here. I still have this 4. This 4 still has to be added into this equation. So I'll bring down the 10. I'll add the rest of the 4 that is left over, and it equals 14. That means 9 plus 5 equals 14. We made this a 10 plus fact by taking and breaking apart our 5, adding 1 to 9 to make a group of 10. Then we just added the rest into the 10 to get our total, which was 14. Let's try another one. Here we have 8 plus 7. Okay, in order to get a 10 plus fact, I know I need to break apart my 7. And I need to figure out how many more I need to add to 8 to get a group of 10. So let's think again about our 10 frame. Here's my 10 frame, and it's filled with 8 circles. Well, looking at that, I can tell I need how many more to get to 10. If you said 2, you're correct. I need 2 more to get to 10. That means I'll need to take 2 away from 7. And when I break apart the 7 into 2, the other part becomes 5. 2 and 5 together make 7. Well, that 2 and that 8 are partners to 10. We can add those 2 together to make our group of 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Now, remember, we can't stop there. 10's not our answer because we still have this 5. So we need to bring our 10 down. We add that 5 that was up here to our 10, and it gives us 15. 10 plus 5 equals 15. That also means 8 plus 7 equals 15. Did you notice that making a 10 plus fact made this easier to solve? We usually can answer addition sentences with 10 much quicker than we can those that do not contain 10. So 10 plus 5 is 15, but so is 8 plus 7. Making a 10 plus fact made this easier to solve. Let's try another one. Here we have 7 plus 5. Okay, here we go again. I know I need to break down the 5 so that I can make a 10 plus fact with the number 7. I have to think in my head about that 10 frame. Here's a 10 frame containing 7 circles. How many more do I need to fill a 10, to have a complete 10? Well, I look at the 10 frame and I notice that I need 3 more. That means when I divide my 5, one part must be 3, which means the other part will be 2 because 3 and 2 make 5. Now, 3 and 7 are partners to 10. Those are the two I'm going to add together first. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Can I stop there? No, I have to still add this 2 that's right here. 10 plus 2 equals 12. That means 7 plus 5 equals 12. We were able to solve this by making a plus 10 fact. Now, one important thing that will help you today is to remember your partners to 10. 9 and 1, 1 and 9. They are partners to 10. 8 and 2, 2 and 8. They are partners to 10. 7 and 3, 3 and 7. They are partners to 10. 6 and 4, 4 and 6. They are partners to 10. 5 and 5 are also partners to 10. And 10 and 0 are partners to 10. So as you're working through your assignment today on Seesaw, remember your partners to 10. It will make it much easier to know what you need to break off to make a 10 plus fact.